Back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your default browser on Android. And you guys, default browser, it is where you have access to browse to search for anything on your phone. Which particular browser do you want it to use to be searching for files on your phone or searching for anything? That is what they call our default browser. So let's dive in. The first step we are going to do is go to your settings, click on your settings, and the second step is you scroll up and look for app management, or you can see notification and apps. But on this my Android, which is Infinix, it is app management. That is the next step. Click on the app management there and look at this on my screen here, which is the Infinix. If you are using Infinix, you are going to follow the same step. But if you are using another Android phone, what you're going to do is you can just scroll down on your Android phone and click on advanced. When you click on advanced, it's going to show you the default apps. But for my Infinix and for those people that are using Infinix, you're going to follow my steps. The next step is click on default apps, and this is it. All our default apps install on the phone is going to pop up. So the next thing you're going to choose is which apps do you want to use as a browser default. So click on this. I want to use my Chrome as my default browser now. So you click on your default, and this is it. Now I have different Chrome here. Is it my Chrome? Is it my Chrome Beta? Is it my Phoenix? Is it my ShareIt? Is it my AI browser that I wanted to use for my default browser? So I use Chrome. You can see my Chrome is this. You can see you can just switch and exchange from the default app you wanted to use. So guys, if you find this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment, please. That is the very important part to me. I have to do your own, so you have to do my own too by liking. Thank you guys, you're so wonderful.